Welcome to the channel. How do you withdraw with PU Prime? Let's find out.
Alright, how do we withdraw with PU Prime? Well, let's find out. So, if you've not been to PU Prime, it's an awesome broker. 300,000 active clients, 200 plus countries served, and 24/7 support. We're going to jump in, but before we do, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. Alright, so first we need to sign up. So, you'll need to go ahead and make an account. You cannot make an account from the United States, but you can make one as an individual or a company. So, we go ahead and type in our name, email, all that fun stuff, password, referrals, and then we go to create account. If we have a account to log in, we just log in here. Then you'll want to do the ID verification. That will be done with your either passport, your driver's license, or some ID. Then first, you'll need to make a deposit before you can withdraw, and you just want to do that with the United States funds, or you can do that with, any type of currency you have. You select a deposit method, so I can enter the amount here. Now, it has to be greater than 50 or 50 itself. And then you want to choose how you want to deposit. Then, after you have done a deposit for a while, you simply go ahead and click on withdrawal. So you'll go ahead and request a withdrawal for the amount that you have. Enter the max amount that you have. And then you simply go ahead and click max, depending on what you have, and hit continue. And then you'll have to select a withdrawal method. And it's just that simple. So that's how you draw on PU Prime. You have to do the KYC, the deposit, and then you simply click on withdrawal here. Enter the amount or the max amount and select how you want to receive the funds, crypto, cash, or whatever it is. So hopefully that was helpful to you. Just quick tutorial to show you how that was done. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.